beauties, welcome back to Lidhu's nail art designs. Today we will be creating multiple simple nail art designs. So first design is French nail art. First we have to outline side French tip and then fill the color. I will be adding a small floral detailing. We can wear this nail art in everyday life. Hope you guys like this look. If you are new here, hi, I am Lidhu and I share creative beginner friendly nail art designs. If you ever looked at flower nail art and thought there is no way I can do this, trust me, you can absolutely do it. Here I have created a bud nail art design. Now is the time for our second nail art, that is rose nails. These nails are my everyday favorite nails. Starting from the center, we have to draw a tiny stalks in a circular way for creating this rose-like pattern. We can use a thin liner brush or a toothpick or anything pointedly and draw as shown in this video. We can create this nail art with a little bit of practice. Practice makes us perfect. Hope you guys have liked this nail look. Say in the comments. Also say which nail art is your favorite. Remember, we are not aiming for perfect nail look. We are aiming for beauty and cute. Now we are moving on to a third nail design, flower nail design. If you guys have any doubt, don't forget to ask in the comments. Short nails actually make cute design look even more classy and clean. Guys may worry that I have only short nail and how can I create design. These nail tips are the example of short nails. Now we are going for the hibiscus flower. This is the recap of my already done videos. If you guys have any doubt, you guys go and watch the full length video where I have detailedly explained how to do all this step by step. This nail look is all time my favorite. Say your opinion. If you have watched till here, thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my video. It is not about easy or hard, it's about practice. Now we are moving on to another type of nail design, that is leopard nail art. In my recent videos I have done tiger nail art and I will be also doing another nail art design that is fully for leopard nails. If you want that video, say in the comments. We have to spot some dots as shown here and draw a thin line around the dots. We are moving on to a simple coconut palm tree nails. Comment below which nail design was your favorite. Draw a curved line and try to spread it downwards for giving that palm tree effect. This nail art was my first attempt. How did you guys feel? Now we are moving on to the second last design, leafy nail design. If you guys like simple nail art design for short nail, don't forget to like, comment and follow Lidhu's nail art design for more easy nail art design. This was my last nail design, that is tiger print nail art, which is super easy and we can create in just seconds. And that's for today. See you all in another video. Till then, stay tuned. Tata, bye bye.